Guys, I received this package in the mail today. I ordered it about 2 weeks ago, or a week ago, I don't remember, but it wasn't long ago. And I ordered a locomotive, so it didn't say if it ran or not. It was cheap, it was $20, I paid $25 for it. So I don't want to go too deep with the knife because I don't know how this stuff gets packed. Also, if you think 2 weeks was long, one day I ordered a package before I had the channel, and it hadn't arrived. It took about 7 months, and I don't know where it was coming from, but it took a long time. Maybe it's a box inside a box. I have had a box inside a box. It's a box inside a bag. See? It's a box inside a bag. Never got that before. Okay, that's... Hold on, I don't even know if this... You have to correct me. It was just in the box. Okay, it looks like the box has seen better days. Way better days. Oh my God. Look at that. The box has had to seen better days. That is a nice end. It just broke. Ow. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That is a nice locomotive. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take it to the layout and see if it runs. I just put it on. When I turned up the controller, I saw I just did just a little bit of tweaking with